Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can save CapCut templates to your favorite list on your CapCut profile. So here I've already on the template tab on the CapCut apps on my phone, and here let's say I want to save one of the templates to my favorite list on my profile. Okay, so let's say I'm going to just save this one's right here. So if you want to save it to your gallery, you can just click on the three dots icon and click on save. But if you want to save it to your favorite list, you just need to click on this button, this save button on the left corner at the bottom. Click on that, and just like that, the templates will be added to your favorite list. And to find it, you can just go to your profile, click on the me options at the bottom, and here click on the favorites tab. And as you can see, this is the template that I just saved before. Okay, so that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.